1, 2, 3, look! It's pink! But I like it black.
Are you kidding me?
Everything will be pink!
Quit it, Denny! Much better.
Everything will be black! No, pink! Pink! Black! Pink! Black!
Huh? Take that! What's that?
Yeah! You did it! You did it! You did it! No, you! I'll steal your color! No! I'll steal your color!
Where are we? We are on the island of colors.
That's a funny-looking rainbow. Everything's changing.
Black and pink leaders are fighting because of us.
Oh no, black paint!
Watch out! You saved me! But your wings have lost color! I'm gonna catch the leaders and fix everything!
You can do it, Denny.
Almost got it! I've caught the black leader!
Woohoo!
Danger! A color trap!
Oh no, Denny!
Be careful next time! You guys need to stop fighting! Look what you've done!
Everything is colorless!
Let's be friends! Colors can combine with one another without fighting, see? But first, we'll get Denny's color back. Green and purple for Denny.
It worked, but there's still work to be done.
Brown and white for coconut.
It looks tasty.
Red, black, and white are good for a snake. Oops, it's not a snake. I'll try again.
Don't give up, Denny.
And there is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple in the rainbow.
We did it! What a difference!
Wow! I like the colors red, orange, and yellow. And I like green, blue, and purple.
Now I believe colors can be together! So can we!
There's one last thing.
Could you please create a pink and black portal for sending us home? between black and pink! Yay!
Put it there! What are we waiting for? It looks great! Did I do that?
Oops!
The pizza!
We got lucky this time!
Look out!
Oh no! The chef is swooning! What is it?
It's a timer.
Let's evaluate the cook's skills.
This is the restaurant critic! We are doomed! Don't worry, we'll make this pizza! First, we'll need to get all the ingredients! For the dough, we need eggs! 1 egg! 2 eggs! Hey! The 3rd egg is going to break! Add milk, flour, and salt! The ingredients for the dough are ready! Olives! Chocolate in the pizza! It's too much! But just enough for my stomach! Cheese! Pepperoni! Mushrooms! Sweet peppers! Onions! The last ingredient is tomato paste! But the ingredients have to stop falling down! I'll give it to you! No! It's yellow honey! No! It's brown nut paste! Yes! It's red tomato paste! The ingredients for the pizza are ready! The table is broken! Where shall we cook pizza?
Look, Denny! The timer! Time is running out!
There is not much time left! We can't fix the table! Don't worry! I look for a table in the other world! It's a zombie table! Now I won't be able to eat pasta! Let's look for something else! A fire table! Not that!
Denny, you've set off the fire alarm!
Actually, the products should be baked, not soaked. Let's knead the dough. Wow, I think this is the right table. Break the egg.
We don't want any shell.
Add the milk, flour, and salt to this. And mix it all up. You need to stir the dough with a whisk. The dough is ready! First, the tomato paste. The topping will be pepperoni and sweet peppers. Also, mushrooms and onions. At that, there'll be a lot of cheese. The cheese will take ages to melt like this. We need a garter.
That's much better.
And let's decorate our pizza with olives.
We made a pizza! Oh no!
There is very little time left. I'll take the pizza to the critic. Stop! It should be baked first. Oh no! The pizza is ruined. We won't have time to make a new pizza.
Everything is ruined.
Don't worry, we'll have a signature pizza. Signature? We just need to find a new baking tray in the world of kitchen appliances.
What? We need to match the pictures.
Let's see what's hidden under numbers 1 and 4. Those bacon trays don't match. Let's keep looking. Let's turn over the first and sixth cards. The square bacon trays match. I think we should look under 4 and 5. They don't match. Then let's try the 4s and 7s. Hooray! The round trays match. Let's see what's hidden under the numbers 5 and 2. Yes, the diamond-shaped trays have matched. Open numbers 3 and 9. The triangle trays match. 8. We have found a unique bacon tray for our signature pizza. A star.
Huh?
Just in time.
Here is your order. Pizza. Signature pizza.
How? What have you done to my kitchen?
We were trying to help.
For your delicious and gorgeous star pizza, I give you a star award. Yes, that's my job. And cleaning the kitchen is the job of others.
I think we should go.
Run, Denny! A yummy rainbow lollipop. And it's all mine. Huh? Who's there? Ooh. Aha! No one's here. What happened? Wait, something's missing. Huh? Where is my lollipop? Look, it's over there. Here's my lollipop. Lollipop, get back here. Coming through. Whew. Huh? Wow, what is this place?
Where's my lollipop? Let's find it. Is my lollipop here? Or there? Where is it?
Did you see that?
Yes, it's on the roof.
Gotcha. It's stuck.
Ooh. Ah! A dragon! A girl! Ah!
So many pretty lollipops. I've caught the candy thief.
You took my lollipop. A lollipop?
It's melting! Melting!
Oh no! My yummy lollipop! Oh, I'm sorry. I have an idea. Let's make a new lollipop in the Sweet Kingdom. My name is Danny. I'm Viv, and
Where are we going? Ouch! My head! What's going on?
Ha! Oh no! Danny, what should I do? Let's start the game.
Where are the brakes?
Look, a chest! A chest! Jump!
Made it! Yummy ice cream! Huh? Ew! Gross!
Ah!
I'm not eating that!
Watch out! It's a slime! Slimes like ice cream too.
Take that and that! It slimed me. I feel so gooey.
Jump!
Ouch!
Here's the lollipop.
tastes different.
Ew, no flavor. I don't like lollipops with no flavor.
Now I'm sad.
Okay, let's go to the flavor world.
Wait for me.
Huh? Let's add flavor to your lollipop.
That sounds good.
Start!
Something's happening.
It's broken. Look, the colors of the fruits are all mixed up. Let's fix the colors. Let's start. Strawberry is red.
That's not right. Keep going, Denny.
Yay! Orange is orange.
Let's try again.
Hey!
Great job!
Lemon is yellow. Huh?
That's a funny-looking lemon.
Hey! Apple is green.
This is the last fruit.
Hey!
We finished the puzzle.
Correct!
We can use the machine.
Oh, yay! Let's add flavor to your lollipop. Strawberry, orange, lemon, apple. Oh, what flavor do you want?
I want to make a special lollipop.
Oh, yes, I know what you want. Ice cream, and this, and that one.
Let's give it a try. A tasty lollipop.
Whoa! Oh, wow, you didn't tell me you're a dragon, too. Whoop.
You try it.
I don't like spicy and bitter lollipops. I like sweet and sour lollipops. Sweet and sour. Yes, chocolate's very sweet and raspberry is sour but yummy.
I like the sound of that.
Hey!
Interesting.
Yummiest chocolate. Really sweet. And raspberry. Wow. Raspberry is really sour but so nice. Thank you, Danny. I'll see you again. Bye, Viv.
Huh? So long.
Aww.
I miss Denny. At least I have this lollipop. Yuck, it's so bad.